Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what you call a holiday favorite or a feast day's favorite. This is a prime rib roast, and I'm going to show you how to work it. It's easy, it's simple, it's nothing hard to do. Just follow my directions, and you can't go wrong at all. Have I stirred anybody wrong? Just put that in the comments. Sandra, you stirred me wrong on some recipe, and I will try to make it up to you and try to do it again. Okay, this is a prime rib. This is about 4 pounds, maybe 4 or 5 pounds. And what I'm going to do is show you how to dress it first. Now, what you do, you're going to have to, let's push this to the side. What you're going to do, you're going to need some Crisco shortening, or maybe some shortening, but make sure it's a vegetable shortening. You're going to add it to a bowl, just like this, and you're going to add butter to it. Now, this is my technique to have a very good, crispy, delicious rib roast. Okay, you're going to add butter to it. Make sure it's room temperature. And you're going to blend it together just like this. The butter and the shortening goes together just like this. Hope you're in the camera, y'all. You know, I ain't got no camera crew. So we're going to put this all together. Make sure it's blended together. Just like this. We'll get this up because we need that. Move this to the side. I'm going to blend this all together. It's the butter and the shortening. About a tablespoon of shortening, about a tablespoon of butter. Or maybe 2, you know, just enough to do this roast. So I'm going to say about 2 tablespoons of shortening and 2 tablespoons of butter. And you put all this together. It's a mess, y'all, but that's all right. Somebody got to do it, and I don't mind doing it. Okay, what we're going to do is make sure this all blend together. I'm going to bring this back over here. Okay, what we're going to do is smear this around, just like this. Smear it around. Make sure you get on every part. Now, this is trim. This is enough fat on this for everything. You don't need no extra cutting on this. This is about 4 pounds. And so we're just going to smear it all over, just like this. Smear it real good. On the ribs too. Now you cut the ribs off if you want to, but why? So you cut them off? I don't think you should cut them off. Okay, now you're gonna smear all this just like this. Make sure you smear all around this, just like this. You want it to be coated very heavy with this butter and shortening. See that? That's gonna give it a good sear in the oven. Okay, you got it all like this. Easy, 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 easy. This is an easy recipe. Don't be ashamed and say, I can't do this. You can do it because I'm showing you how to do it right now. Okay, we'll be right back after I wash my hands. All right, we are back. We got rib roast, crown rib roast, already smeared with butter and shortening. So we're going to put this to the side, and we're going to do our seasons. And our season going to consist of a steak sauce, a steak season, thyme, rosemary, black pepper, and salt. Okay? What we're going to do is going to add this to the bowl. We're going to add about a tablespoon of thyme. We're going to put a tablespoon of the steak sauce. Now, it's got salt in it, so we're going to be very careful about using regular salt. We're going to put a tablespoon of rosemary. And we're going to put a tablespoon of black pepper. Maybe 2 tablespoons of black pepper. Like that. Because the black pepper is a necessary for this, okay? And we're going to put just a little salt. Maybe a teaspoon of salt. We're going to blend all this together. Smell good, y'all. And then I feel like putting another teaspoon of steak sauce in there. Okay, we're going to bring this back. Steak season. We'll bring this back. And we're going to smear it just like that. See? Just like that. Smear it over there just like that, and do the other side. Turn it around. Oops. Do the other side like that. Just smear it around. You have to get your hands all dirty. Just like that. Sure it's all over. Do the other side. Smell good. And then do the other side. Like that. And that's it, y'all. We got that all done. It's about the bone side. Yeah, we got it all done. Now we have leftovers in the pan, but that's okay. We could get our hands and just sprinkle on the part we missed. Now about this rib roast, what we're gonna do is this is 4 pounds. We're gonna turn the oven up to 500, and every pound is a 5 minutes. So that'd be 20 minutes in the oven at 500. Then we're going to turn the oven off and leave it in the oven at 2 hours without even opening the oven, not even peeping in there, not even looking in there, not even looking through the glass of the oven. Just leave it in there for 2 hours without even opening it up. Turn the oven off. First, preheat your oven at 500. At 500, maybe about 20, 30 minutes. Then you put this in the oven. 5 pounds for each, 5 minutes for each pound. If you got a 5 pound, that's 25 minutes. So this is a 4 pound, so this will be 20 minutes. So what we're going to do is leave it in the oven 5 minutes, that'd be 20 minutes on 500 for 20 minutes, and we're going to turn it off and leave it in the oven for 2 hours without even opening it. That's easy as I can say. Okay, we're going to do that now, and we'll be right back. All right, we sliced our prime rib. It's medium rare, but it's delicious. That's what it's supposed to be, like that. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Now, if you follow my directions, you will not go wrong on a prime rib. This is delicious. My daughter, Farrah, she's the one who finished it for me. This is fantastic. Thank you, Ephraim, and y'all have a wonderful day. And happy eating.